Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a license plate relocation video for the Civic Hatchback SI or Type R. All you're going to need is two 1/4 by 1 and 1/4 flat washers, two 3/16 by 3 toggle bolts, two .257 by 1/2 by 1 nylon spacers, and just a pack of the number 10 flat washers. Alright, so after you guys go ahead and get these parts, which can be found at any of your local hardware stores like Lowe's or Home Depot, take your mounting plate and put one of the bolts from your toggle bolt pack along with a number 10 flat washer on like this. After you do that, add on a nylon spacer on the back side and one of your 1/4 by 1 and 1/4 flat washers. All you're going to have to do after that is add the little end piece of the toggle bolt at the end and screw it on just a little bit, not too much and not too little, because if you do too little it'll fall off. Alright, basically once you guys finish putting all your stuff onto your mounting plate bracket, then you're going to want to take it and, like what I'm doing with the toggle bolt here, you kind of just squeeze it and push it through one of the holes where the little opening is for your horn, or if you do have a Type R, it's just vents, so you can just put it right through any of the holes. So anyway, once you do that, make sure it's in there, and when you pull on it, it doesn't slide right out. So just find a good spot for those. You can choose any place you want that you think it looks best. I did mine more on the top end of it. But once you get it in with both sides and straight, then all you're gonna have to do is tighten it, and basically that will hold it into place. So anyway, this part was a bit tricky to hold it and tighten it at the same time. If you guys do have a family member or a friend to help you, that would be really helpful actually, since this is pretty tough to just hold it there and tighten it. But just make sure you're holding it straight when you tighten it on, because it is a long bolt and it does take a while, so if you have to redo it, that'll just take you another 5-10 minutes. Alright, so we got one side bolted down. I was making sure it's lined up and then went ahead and tightened the second one. Alright, now that I finished tightening both sides, I just went to both bolts and just extra tightened them. And there you can see, if you actually like pull on it, it'll barely move. But I did a little test fit to see what it will look like. This is what it's going to look like once you put the actual license plate on it. See if I like it in that spot. One thing to note before you guys screw on the license plate, if you got the same bracket as the one I linked, the same mounting plate bracket, just note that the screws are really big. You can already see it here, and you just need a lot of strength to put them in, which may not be a good thing. They were not stripping it, it was just like such a big bolt. So either if you have a drill, it'd probably be a little bit better, but I was just using a screwdriver here. And it still worked out fine. Alright, so here's the end result. It does look so good in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. But anyway, if this video did help you guys out, make sure to leave a like down below. Just wanted to mention before I end it off completely is that this license plate does hold on really well. I've had it on for around 2 weeks and have been on the freeway multiple times, and even at high speeds, like, it has not loosened it up at all. I've double checked it multiple times and it's still as tight as the day I put it on. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.